Unlock a treasure trove of discounts right on your phone with the Walmart app. First, open the Walmart app and locate the search bar at the very top. This is your gateway to finding those hidden clearance gems. You can either type in general terms like clearance to browse everything discounted, or be more specific, like toys clearance if you have something in mind. Once your search results appear, it's time to refine them. Look for the filter or refine option, usually located near the top of your screen. From the filter menu, you'll want to adjust the price range to find the best deals. Drag the slider to a lower price point or input a specific maximum. Crucially, toggle on the In Stock at My Store or a similar option to ensure the product is available locally, saving you a trip. With your filters applied, you'll see a streamlined list of heavily discounted items. Look for clear indicators like clearance or rollback on the product listings. Tap on any item that catches your eye to view its full details, including the original price and the discounted price. If it's what you're looking for, you can add it to your cart for pickup or delivery. Regularly checking the app and using these filter techniques will significantly increase your chances of snagging incredible clearance deals, helping you save big on your everyday shopping. Happy bargain hunting!